Hello guys, I have a 2008 Maxima which I was having a kind of like a blown out sound from the speaker, which is I don't have the Bose one. I think the Bose speakers is like 2 ohms here, but these are 4 ohms, and this says Patka or something. Anyways, it was acting up bad, and whenever I increase the volume, especially on the low frequency, it was kind of like giving a very it's like a buzzing sound, and I can see it's kind of like giving away right here. So I ordered like a replacement. I actually got these from eBay only for 20 bucks. This one looks better. The only way we'll find out when I hook it up. Everything looks exactly the same. So the procedure is pretty much the simple. When you want to do that, you have one 10 millimeter nut here, which you pop out the plastic cap, and then you just unscrew the nut, and then you have one here, and then one here. Once you have them removed, then carefully detach this from the control column here. When you try to pry it out, press here and then pull. You'll have an easy time to get it out. Then you also, it's better to disconnect the light here from this one, and there's only 2 cable that you have to disconnect. I didn't disconnect the door latch, and then it's pretty simple. You just take out 3 10 millimeter bolt, and we're going to install it. And then oh, and one more thing, you really don't need special tools to take out this door. You just slightly but firmly take it out, and then once you start from the bottom, the door panel will start to detach from the main door. And then once you're done with the bottom, then you just lift it up a little bit and then wiggle, it will come out freely. All right, let's go and install the speaker. So we have our replacement speaker installed, and I just checked it. I was playing some music from my phone. Obviously I can play it now when I'm recording with my phone, so but the muffled sound is gone, so that's a good sign, because this is definitely a used part that I ordered from eBay. So it was like a 50-50 chance I might have a low frequency problem, but it appears to be working fine. Now when you put the speaker, make sure these 2 notches here, one goes here and one goes here. I mean, I know it's like kind of like a no-brainer, but trust me, it looks very easy, but to get, like, you're probably just gonna wiggle all around. But once you get these 2 placed, then it's like walk in the park thing. We're gonna put the screw back for the speakers, and then we'll start putting back everything. Sorry for the background sound there, guys. So I'm almost there, putting everything back. So there's one screw, as you can see. There's the one, and that's another one here. These are all 10 millimeters. What you're gonna do now is check your window is rolling down, the door is unlocking. Well, obviously my car is not on, the light is not on, so but this one is definitely gonna work. So once you made sure you have connected all the cables, then put everything back. Like I said, first when you put back the door panel, start from the top, carefully line up, and then walk from the top, and then finish in the bottom. Now the last piece, we're gonna put the trim panel back. The trim panel is back and everything is firm. Yeah, everything is firm, and this one was broken from the previous owner. Anyways, yeah, see, it doesn't take actually more than 30 minutes to do so. I hope you guys can change your speakers, or you can put any aftermarket speakers, but it's always good to have this blown, even though it's damaged, but it's good to have, because if you ever wish to put aftermarket speakers, you can actually take this with you and then measure all diameters, because you don't want, if it's too, see, if this one is too high, then you're gonna have a problem with your windows. The windows not gonna close entirely, or eventually, you know, you're gonna have a bad regulator or a window model. Guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. Oh, one last thing, guys. Don't forget to put this thing back. Just like me, you're probably gonna forget, but let me see if I can do it with one hand. Yes, I got it. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.